kaya naman na so dapat is we have fun.
What we perform is
Okay. So, good afternoon everyone. So, I hope we are all enjoying our day so far. And for this afternoon session, it is my distinct honor to introduce our guest speaker for the second time around, Reverend Jeff Padre Iwa. Reverend Iwa is an ordained elder in the Church of the Nazarene and currently serves as the senior pastor of the Los Angeles First Filipino Church of the Nazarene. He is a dedicated spiritual leader with a deep passion for guiding individuals, families, and communities toward growth and transformation. He holds a bachelor's degree major in behavioral science, equipping him with valuable insight into human behavior, leadership, and organizational dynamics. He completed his biblical studies at the Nazarene Bible College, further strengthening his theological foundation and pastoral calling. Beyond his ministry work, Reverend Iwa brings a strong background in corporate affairs, and he has successfully managed industry-leading companies in the food sector, demonstrating excellence in leadership, strategic management, and organizational development. His experience in both corporate and ministry settings uniquely position him to bridge faith, leadership, and practical application. In addition, he serves as a training consultant for JPG seminars, where he continues to empower leaders and organizations through impactful training and development. Today, we are privileged to hear from a leader whose life reflects both professional excellence and faithful service. Please join me in warmly welcoming Reverend Jeff Padre Iwa.
Thank you. Hello. I'd like to ask everyone to please stand. Let's all stand. Siyempre, alam niyo na yung routine. Let's form a circle. Let's go. Let's form a circle. Let's bring it in. Clap your hands. Let's form a circle. Make sure there's a person beside you. Okay, raise your right hand. Turn to your right. And arms forward. Ayan. I want you to massage the person in front of you. Ayan. Parang hindi siya nagpapagulin. Ayan. Now, head massage. Neck massage. Shoulder massage. Waist massage. Ilipin mo siya. Waist massage. Okay, about face. Arms forward, please. Head massage. Neck massage. Shoulder massage. Waist massage. Before you go back to your seat, shake the hands of the person in front of you at the back. Sabi mo sa kanya, I'm happy you're here. Alright. Let's go back to our seats. Thank you. I just made sure na hindi ako tutulugan. It's nice to be back here. So, I'd like to remind everyone some important reminders. Una, cell phones, vibrate mode muna tayo, okay? And then, when somebody's speaking, we will listen. We need to participate in all activities na the person next to you, sabihin mo sa kanya, ang matulog pangit. Sabihin mo sa kanya, let's have fun. At saka, tanong mo siya, ano yung sinasagot natin kapag tinatanong? Game ka na ba? Oh, yeah! Buti naman, natandaan niyo pa. Okay, so ikot ka lang na sandali. So let's start everything with a leadership game. I'm sorry. You. Team Taglamig. Alright, so lahat ng Team Tag-Init tayo, punta kayo dito sa left side. Lahat ng Team Taglamig, dito naman sa right side ko. Pero left view. Alright, let's go! Let's go! Ang birthday mo, Taglamig. Birthday mo, July to December, eto ang group mo. Pag ang birthday mo, January to June, eto ang group mo. Alright? Ayan. Are you ready to rumble? Game ka na ba? Ayan. Pogi ba si Sareta? Para napipigilan na ito mga to. Okay, so simple lang. This is a leadership game. No? Kailangan meron kayong team captain. No? Who's your team captain? Team captain? So let's give our team captains some paper and kasi it will cost you a point. Alright? So our HR provided, meron ba tayong gift? Yes, meron. Okay, sige. Labasan natin. Limpak na sa, ano yan? Limpak na palakpakan mga kapanood. Ayan. So, okay. So you have a prize. So, yeah, trip to Mandaluyong. Prize nyo. Okay. So, team captain will write your answer. I will ask basic questions, no, na usually alam niyo naman yung sagot. And you have two choices. Okay? So, it doesn't matter kung parehas kayo ng sagot or hindi, it doesn't matter. So, importante, lahat kayo nag-agree kayo sa sagot nyo. Okay? So, sample, no bearing, wala pong point. Okay? So, let's start. Game ka na ba?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, for question number 1. What is the Philippines country's oldest church? Philippines ang pinag-uusapan. Philippines ang setting natin. Okay? Country's oldest church. So usually, magbibigay ako ng dalawang choices. Is it Quiapo Church or San Agustin Church? So kailangan mag-brainstorm kayo. Okay? So isulat ng team captain. Pag nag-agree ka na kayo sa isang sagot, susulat ng team captain. Okay, time's up. Team captain, Tag-Init. What's your answer, RJ?
San Agustin Church.
Mag-agree ba lahat? San Agustin Church. Okay?
San Agustin Church.
San Agustin Church. The correct answer is San Agustin Church. Hindi Batang Quiapo. Okay? Okay, so saan pa na nga? Wala pang point system. Okay? So, susulat natin dito. Okay, isulat ka. Team Tag-Init, tsaka Team Taglamig. So, mag-score lang tayo. Team Tag-Init, tsaka Team Taglamig. Okay. Is it gymnastics or synchronized swimming? Go, answer. Hands up. Your answer, RJ? Synchronized swimming. Alright, so how about... Yan ang maganda, naghihiwalay. Hindi naggagayahan, di ba? Gymnastics. Okay, literally means to train naked is gymnastics.
Taglamig.
Okay, ano says ng corporation? Pero the question is asking the most profitable. Ibig sabihin, for example, this company, hindi malaki, pero pwedeng most profitable. Diba? So the most profitable ng 91 and 92, remember, kasi lang sa tao noon, no? Wala kang cellphone. Walang kalaban ng PLDT. That is a landline. So, it's PLDT. Ayun. It's a score for Team Taglamig.
Taglamig.
It's 6. France. Okay, parehas sa sagot eh. Sige nga, RJ, sa yung cellphone mo, i-google mo. Tanungin mo, Cro-Magnon hails from what country? Alright. Are you familiar with Bill Gates?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. The point of the game is that leaders is supposed to guidance and shepherding for church setup. So, in order for you to be an effective leader, kailangan mo daw magbigay ng direction sa team mo. Kailangan mo, kaya mo silang i-guide, or sa mga church leaders, kaya mo magpastol. Imagine, ang mundo na to, earth without leader. Pero, sino dito nakapanood ng Lion King? Raise your hands. Are you familiar with Lion King? Are you familiar with Rafiki? Rafiki? Kilala niyo si Rafiki? Si Rafiki, yung kanilang priest. Okay, while waiting for the others, going back to our learning to ponder no, for this afternoon. We talk about effective leadership, integrity. Yes, you can take pictures if you want or write something down because you'll be needing this a little while ago, a little while later kasi magdi-discuss kayo ang gaya ng ginawa natin last year. Okay?
Obviously, he's determined to make the Cad work as well. And it's easy against Pat Calvin against a lot of other southpaws because of Manny's desire to square his shoulders up and trade shots.
That guy's showing a lot more upper body movement than most southpaws that come straight in a lot. But right now, he seems to be having a problem with getting his rhythm together.
We must check ourselves na tama pa ba itong ginagawa ko? Sumusunod na lang ba ako sa norms na nakasanayan ko na lang? Or there are things for improvement pa talaga? Then, yung another thing na find namin difficult is yung cultivating leadership from other leaders, from other great influence na leaders na makakapag-share sa atin ng kanilang mga knowledge. Kasi we always, parang katulad sinabi ni Arvin kanina na
You don't have to form a circle, but here's the challenge. Are you up for a challenge? Are you up for a challenge? Game na ba kayo? Oh yeah! Okay, so medyo mahirap tong challenge na to compared sa ginawa niyong challenge last year. Kasi dito, gagamit ka ng leadership. Alright? So, here's the challenge. Alright? So, ang situation no, is you are in a huge cruise ship. So, medyo galante si Sir Edgar at nagbigay ng free cruise para bonus sa inyo. So, ang pangalan ng ship, Titanic. Unfortunately, no, lumubog. Lumubog yung Titanic. Pero hindi naman kayo patay. Okay? Mamamatay pala. Pag hindi kayo makakalabas dito. Okay? So, ang ano na to, ang activity na to ay high tension wire. Meaning, no, itong dalawang masking tape na to are high tension wire. So, mag-iisip kayo ng paraan para sagipin lahat ng members ng Technosan at ilipat sa kabila. So, meron kayong space na allowed na pasukan. Ang challenge is yung unang papasok at huling lalabas. Unang papasok sa kabila at huling papasok palabas. Tama ba? Unang lalabas at huling lalabas. Alam niyo na yun. Okay. So, parang ayaw niyo. Okay. Game na ba kayo? Oh, yeah. Okay. So, ano yung natutunan natin last year? Ano yung natutunan natin last year, Arvin, na sinasabi mo sa akin kanina? Ano yung importante? Meeting. So, di ba natuto na tayo last year? Tinira natin na tinira, hindi tayo nag-meeting. Bibigyan kayo ng pagkakataon mag-meeting at mag-strategize. Looking at this picture, paano nila, hindi ko papakita yung video kasi baka makukuha niya. Picture lang, makikita niyo kung paano nila ginawa. Okay? Bibigyan kayo ng time mag-strategize, mag-meeting habang inaayos namin yung high tension wire. Alright? Game na ba kayo?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, let's do it.
Kapatayan mo sarili mo, hindi mo kailangan.
Game na ba kayo? Game na ba kayo? Okay, here are the rules.
Meron bang ano? Meron bang mga gamit sa bato?
May
May gamit
sa
Balkon.
barko,
Kunwari, bangko.
bangko,
Palo-palo. Di ba?
gusto kita. Siyempre, may gamit sa barko.
Oo, pag may bangko, pwede patugtungan yun ha, sa bangko na lang
Yan ang
yun eh.
leader nag-iisip. Okay, here's the simple rule. Ito lang yung space na lalabasan nyo. Pag tumikit kayo dito, high tension niya, patay kayo. Ibig sabihin, pag tumikit ka, babalik ka. So babalik ka. So hindi kayo matatapos hanggang tumikit kayo. Okay? So ang challenge dito is the first person at yung last person. Yan ang challenge. Yun ang po sa inyo. Pangalawa, maganda yung tanong niya, may bangko naman po sa barko. At pwede niya gamitin. Diba? Pangatlo, may nagtanong, pwede po ba lundagin? Pwede. Basta huwag ka na sasabi. Pwede bang tukpangin? Pwede. Pwede bang mag-dive? Pwede. Basta huwag ka lang sasabi. Okay? So, game na ba kayo?
Mga babae. Tapos yung tapos ng babae, mga lalaki.
Okay, Techno Sam. Game na ba kayo? Oh, yeah! Timer starts now.
Nice da.
Uy,
Wala naman nagsabi.
Ayan na.
makakuryente.
Teka lang, hindi ko makakita eh. Dito ako, dito ako.
Tabata!
Oh, sabi yan. Balik. Balik sa dulo ka ulit. Ayan.
Isa na yung nakuryente sa atin.
Okay.
Easy. Sabi.
Wala naman kakao.
Dalawa na ililiping nyo.
Ako doon.
Kaya kung
Sige ko.
Okay.
Ayun.
Sige na,
Ay,
Si Kuya Luis, yung sina.
Ito kailangan ng medic.
Oh, yan yung
alright. Hop, sumabit! Joke lang.
Wala.
Busy. Ikaw, Jeka. Alright. Ayan, boss Clyde.
Ito ako tayo nahihirapan.
Oh, sabit.
Leader!
Para masaya na.
Nasa red ka rin yung Sige, boss.
Millionaire.
Yung ano natin.
Masaya na pa kami pag may upuan.
Tulong naman.
Kaya mo?
Ilan na lang kayo?
Pati po si Sir Red Guy.
Ito, kaya ba? Ano ka na? Pasok na, pasok!
Huwag ka naman kasi magpapahirap mo.
Alright!
Galing mo na.
Ano? Ba't may basic wala eh?
Hindi.
Sabit.
Hindi na.
Hangin kamay?
Hangin.
Hangin lang ba yan?
Double kick.
Dalawat na lang.
Memories.
Last one.
Ingat si Sir, ma.
Last one.
Basic!
Okay, congratulations! 3 minutes, 47 seconds! Alright! Go back to your seats. Thank you. Can you take the chairs, please? Thank you. Kaya natin ito. Para pamilyan. Anyway, I know that we need to leave at 4 o'clock. But for our last activity, please get your coins if you have your coins with you. I mentioned a while ago that it is very important to find a mentor. Okay? So maybe a biblical or somebody that will inspire you or historical. Take time to explain. Take time to explain. Panyutang yung projector. Gaabot. Okay. Last 1 minute. Okay, let's wrap it up. Bilisan natin.
Ma'am.
Okay. We're good?
Dear Padre Diwa, in grateful recognition of your time, insight, and expertise shared as our speaker during the Cultivating Leadership, Raising Others to Rise, held on February 20, 2026. Your contribution has inspired and equipped our participants, and we sincerely appreciate your support and dedication.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless you guys. Hope we see you someday again.
Next year again.
Next year. Let's take a